Greetings, and welcome to the About My Brain Institute podcast, exploring the inspiring realm of the spirit animals oracle cards. In this episode, join us as we delve into the fascinating world of the ant spirit animal, renowned for organization, teamwork, and diligence. Part 1. Discovering the ant spirit. The ant, a symbol of remarkable unity, teamwork, and unwavering diligence, serves as a profound reminder of the power of cooperation and collaboration in our lives. Its spiritual energy instills in us a deep appreciation for the significance of working harmoniously together toward shared objectives. Just like the ants, we find strength and purpose when we unite our efforts for common goals, recognizing that the collective spirit can achieve wonders beyond individual capabilities. Guided by the ant's medicine, we learn the virtues of discipline, organization, and unwavering focus. Drawing inspiration from the ant's orderly and systematic approach, we cultivate a sense of purposeful direction in our endeavors, ensuring that each task we undertake aligns with our greater vision. In the ant's presence, we discover the beauty of meticulous planning and dedicated efforts, knowing that success often emerges from the collective dedication of all involved. As we embrace the wisdom of the ant, we awaken to the transformative power of teamwork and cooperation. The ant's medicine encourages us to shed the limitations of individualism and embrace the strength that arises when we work as one. By fostering an environment of mutual support and understanding, we create a space where diverse talents and perspectives can come together to form a harmonious symphony of productivity. In the diligent footsteps of the ant, we learn to appreciate the beauty of shared success and the triumphs born from collective accomplishments. Part 2. Qualities of the ant spirit. Ants are remarkable creatures that possess a myriad of fascinating qualities. Among their most notable traits is their exceptional teamwork and social organization. Living in colonies, ants work together cohesively, each having specific roles that contribute to the colony's survival and success. Their strong sense of community and selflessness make them a symbol of unity and cooperation. Diligence and perseverance are also hallmarks of ants, as they tirelessly forage for food and construct intricate underground nests. Despite their small size, ants exhibit remarkable strength, often carrying objects many times their weight, exemplifying the power of determination and hard work. Additionally, ants demonstrate adaptability, thriving in diverse environments across the globe, showcasing their resilience and ability to endure various challenges. As ecologically important creatures, ants play crucial roles in ecosystem balance through their roles as scavengers, predators, and seed dispersers. Their qualities of teamwork, diligence, strength, adaptability, and ecological significance make ants a source of inspiration and admiration for their remarkable achievements in the natural world. Part 3. Cultural and mythological significance of the ant spirit. Throughout various cultures, ants have consistently been revered for their symbolic qualities, reflecting different facets of human existence. Foremost among these is the ant's unwavering dedication to work. Their relentless industriousness stands as an emblem of hard work, perseverance, and the fruits of unwavering commitment. The complex societal structures of ant colonies, marked by intricate cooperation, position them as symbols of unity, teamwork, and the strength of collective effort. Many societies also recognize the strategic acumen of ants, lauding them for their problem-solving prowess, ability to chart complex terrains, and meticulous planning, all of which underscore their perceived wisdom. Numerous myths, tales, and religious practices across the globe have incorporated ants as central characters or symbols. For instance, Native American legends occasionally present ants as sagacious advisors or spiritual mentors. On the other hand, Aesop's renowned fable, The Ant and the Grasshopper, extols the ant's foresight and preparation. Beyond storytelling, certain religious traditions, including Buddhism, elevate the ant's stature, admiring their disciplined communal existence. As such, specific guidelines are formulated to ensure these creatures are unharmed during rituals or construction undertakings. Ants, despite their minuscule size, bear a larger-than-life significance in human culture. Their humble, Yet pivotal contributions to their communities have rendered them symbols of humility and modesty, reminding individuals of the virtues of grounded existence and selfless contributions. Their methodical approach to tasks, achieved without haste but with enduring patience, serves as an allegory for the virtues of patience and steadfastness in the face of challenges. In essence, the myriad ways in which ants have permeated human culture and mythology underscore their lasting influence, teaching foundational values and enriching narratives across ages. Part 4. An Ant in My Dreams. Dreaming with ants can carry various symbolic meanings depending on the context of the dream and the dreamer's personal experiences and associations. Ants are often associated with themes of hard work, perseverance, cooperation, and patience. Dreaming of ants may symbolize the need for diligence and dedication in pursuing goals or tasks in the dreamer's waking life. It can serve as a reminder to be patient and persistent, trusting that slow progress will lead to eventual success. Ants' strong sense of community and cooperation might represent the importance of teamwork and collaboration in achieving objectives. Additionally, dreaming with ants could suggest the need to pay attention to small details or to be more organized in daily life. The presence of ants in dreams may also evoke feelings of unity, a connection to nature, or a sense of humbleness. As with all dream interpretations, the dreamer's emotions and personal associations with ants should be considered for a more accurate understanding of the dream's significance. Part 5. Habitat, Behaviors and Ecological Importance of the Ant. Habitat. The habitat of ants is incredibly diverse, as these highly adaptable insects can be found in various environments across the globe. Ants are known for their ability to colonize a wide range of habitats, from tropical rainforests to arid deserts and urban areas. They construct their nests in various locations, such as underground burrows, decaying wood, leaf litter, and even inside human structures. Some species prefer open grasslands, while others thrive in dense forests. Their ecological success is attributed to their complex social structure, which allows them to work together to overcome environmental challenges. Ants are essential components of ecosystems, playing roles as predators, scavengers, and seed dispersers. Their ability to occupy diverse habitats and fulfill various ecological functions highlights their significance in maintaining ecosystem balance and their remarkable adaptability as one of nature's most successful and widespread insect species. Behaviors. Foraging. Ants are excellent foragers and display impressive coordination in their search for food. They leave their nests in long, organized trails, following pheromone signals left by other ants to locate and gather food sources. This behavior ensures efficient food collection for the entire colony. Communication. Ants communicate through chemical signals, primarily using pheromones. By releasing specific pheromones, they can convey information about food sources, danger, and the location of their nest. This form of chemical communication helps maintain order and cooperation within the colony. Colony defense. When their colony is under threat, ants demonstrate a remarkable defensive behavior. They swarm together to protect their nest and queen, utilizing their numbers and coordinated attacks to ward off intruders or predators. Nursing and caretaking. Ants exhibit caring behaviors towards their brood and fellow colony members. Worker ants take on various roles, including nursing the larvae, grooming nestmates, and even carrying injured or sick ants away from potential danger. Seed dispersal. Some ant species play a crucial role in seed dispersal. They collect seeds from plants and carry them back to their nests. Some of these seeds may germinate and grow, helping to regenerate vegetation in different areas and contributing to the ecological balance of their habitat. Ecological importance. The ecological importance of ants cannot be overstated, as these tiny insects play vital roles in various ecosystems worldwide. As scavengers, ants aid in nutrient cycling by consuming dead organic matter and recycling nutrients back into the soil. Additionally, their foraging behavior contributes to seed dispersal, helping to regenerate plant species and maintain biodiversity. Ants also act as predators, preying on other invertebrates, thereby controlling pest populations and influencing the balance of species interactions. Their tunneling and soil-turning activities enhance soil aeration and nutrient availability, positively impacting plant growth. Ants serve as a food source for numerous predators, further contributing to the intricate web of life within ecosystems. Through their diverse ecological functions, ants play an essential role in maintaining ecosystem health, functioning, and resilience, making them a keystone species in many terrestrial habitats. Part 6. How the ant contributes to scientific research. Ant colonies, exhibiting remarkable coordination and division of labor, serve as models for understanding emergent behavior, where simple individual actions lead to complex group dynamics. Their trail pheromones and foraging patterns have informed algorithms in robotics and optimization problems, mimicking ant behavior to solve human challenges. On a biological level, ants' mutualistic relationships with fungi and plants, as well as their varied adaptations to different environments, contribute to our understanding of ecology, evolution, and symbiosis. Additionally, the study of ant communication, defense mechanisms, and reproduction has broadened our knowledge of insect physiology and neurobiology. Part 7. Guided visualization to connect with the ant spirit. Find a quiet and comfortable space where you won't be disturbed. Sit or lie down in a relaxed position and gently close your eyes. Take a few deep breaths, inhaling deeply through your nose and exhaling slowly through your mouth. Allow any tension to melt away with each breath. As you begin to relax, visualize yourself in a lush and tranquil garden. The air is filled with the fragrance of blooming flowers and fresh earth. Feel the soft grass beneath you and the warmth of the sun on your skin. As you explore the garden, notice a small ant hill nearby. Walk towards it with a sense of curiosity and wonder. As you get closer, you notice the ants moving busily about, going about their tasks with purpose and determination. Take a moment to observe the ants and the fascinating patterns they create as they work together. Sense the unity and cooperation among them as they exemplify the power of teamwork and community. Now, imagine yourself shrinking in size until you are as small as an ant. Feel yourself transforming into an ant, merging with their spirit and energy. As an ant, you are connected to the collective consciousness of the ant colony. Experience the world from the perspective of an ant, seeing the intricate details of the ant hill and feeling the ground beneath your tiny feet. Notice how you communicate with other ants through pheromones, exchanging information with seamless harmony. As you embody the spirit of the ants, feel their strong sense of purpose and their unwavering dedication to their tasks. Sense the unity and connection among all the ants, knowing that you are an essential part of a thriving community. Take a moment to ask the spirit of the ants for any guidance or wisdom they may have to offer. Listen with an open heart and mind, trusting that the answers will come to you in subtle ways. When you feel ready, give thanks to the spirit of the ants for sharing their energy and wisdom with you. As you return to your original size, take a deep breath and slowly open your eyes. Carry the spirit of the ants with you throughout your day, remembering their lessons of diligence, cooperation, and unity. Thanks for tuning in. This podcast was brought to you by the About My Brain Institute. For all the freshest updates and exclusive content, make sure to subscribe to our newsletter and give us a follow on our social channels. Until next time, keep those neurons firing.